Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2368th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, quick video coming at you. Just want to remind you of the risks involved in this game. Never, ever trade without stops. Put those stops in first and know that this is an extremely risky game. And if you don't understand that, contact me and I'll explain it to you. But be careful out there, all right? It's a great game, but always put those stops in first so you can live to fight another day if you do have a losing day. All right, so traders, you can always find me in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com, but let me show you what's going on here. I am here to say, watch out. There is an OMNI caution flag waving right now. And we ran right into it, so it didn't take long to get above this 200 ball moving average and have a little explosion, but wow, did it run into a brick wall when it hit the OMNI average. Now, if you'll note, look what happens here with this average. You know, there's been a lot of action around it lately, you know what I'm saying? So we need to heed the warning that something may be going on right here. And, you know, I've been mentioning in every video, since the little rally started, do not fall in love with the upside. Get in, take your profit, get out, because another shoe has to drop. We're not done adjusting yet. So, you know, we have to watch this caution sign. Wanted to bring that to your attention. We'll probably try to sell S&P and or Russell if we get lucky enough to get a fill somehow. But that's what we're looking to do for trading on Thursday. Please, good luck trading out there. Please put your stops in first. Join me in my free trading room. And remember to subscribe to these videos, subscribe to my channel so that you know when the next video comes out. Traders, remember, stops are in, and say that to yourselves, please, put them in. Emotions are out. Put the stops in, keep your emotional decisions out. Good luck trading. I'll see you in my trading room. And remember, caution flag from the OMNI. Just wanted to bring that to your attention.